Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number SC1247. This is a 1247 key blank. Just trying to get the camera to focus a little bit for us on this here key blank. There'll be some images down below of this key blank so that you can see it much more up close and personal, so to speak. This will be a 1247 keyway that will, it's an older keyway from Schlage, very uncommon. You're probably not going to find this at a box store in order to cut a key blank. The milling, this is a 6-pin blank, by the way. There is a milling profile down below. Now that milling profile is as if you're looking down into the cylinder, not if you're looking at the key blank. So if you're looking at the tip of the key, you'll have to, in your mind's eye, look at it in reverse, so to speak. And while that could be a challenge, it is a challenge certainly, when looking at the milling profile along with the Kaba Ilco full-line catalog that I'll show you where we keep later in this video, it can be used to great effect to help determine what exactly it is that you have. This is stamped SC1247 on it, so you have a very reasonable assurance of what you're dealing with. Now that link to the catalog, below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page. Where you will be able to pull up the key blank catalog, and I'm going to do that now so we can review it. It's literally called, at least at this time, key blank catalog. And then from there, once that comes up, you can do a find function on your keyboard and search for 1247 and most certainly get to the page where all of the pages, in fact, where it is mentioned. And you may want to do that because there are different Schlage older that were, I understand, at once upon a time a restricted key blank, or a key blank that's significantly more difficult to duplicate in terms of availability of key blanks, although because they're no longer patented, etc., it's not impossible to get key blanks. While this isn't a Schlage original, it is a 1247 keyway. The point of the referring to the catalog is because it's very interesting to see how those keyways work in relationship to the other key blanks that they have. And there are several and many that are in that family of those older, likely once upon a time restricted key blanks. But when you look at the rest of the Schlage key blanks, it's encyclopedic knowledge, really, is what it is, to be able to review that in all of the different Schlage keyways. Okay? Just keep in mind that when you're looking at the milling profile, you're looking at it as if you're looking down into the cylinder, and that's a little bit harder to look at the cylinder because the cylinder broaching, the profile of what's in that plug is not symmetrical, so you'll have to flip that around in your mind. That link to the manufacturer's page is really handy because it will allow you to review not only those key blanks that are in there, all the key blanks from Kaba Ilco, but their other catalogs, their brass cylinder catalog, all of the products that we sell from Kaba Ilco, a link to the manufacturer's website, and then their storefront hardware catalog as well, which might now actually be the same document with their brass cylinder catalog. The name Kaba Ilco is synonymous with high-quality cylinders made of solid brass that will permit you to achieve very good tolerances when you're keying their material, and their key blanks are of very good quality as well. Any questions on the Kaba Ilco SC1247 Schlage nickel silver key blank or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.